Our heartache is ignored, our loss is irrelevant, Ryan's murder is not considered a crime. This is the victim impact statement read today by the widow of Sergeant Ryan Russell, who says she is outraged to learn that her husband's killer is not only out living in the community, but now also wants more freedom.
Shocking news that he's out living in the community in an apartment all by himself and getting obviously more and more privileges and apparently posing no threat to any of us. So I do feel like his path to freedom is just around the corner, and it breaks my heart. I feel like Ryan died and it's no big deal.
Sergeant Ryan Russell died in 2011 when he tried to stop Richard Kachkar, who was behind the wheel of a stolen snowplow and in the midst of a psychotic episode. Kachkar was found not criminally responsible in 2013 and has been in the care of the Ontario Shore Centre for Mental Health in Whitby since then. It emerged today that Kachkar was released from the psychiatric hospital in mid-April and is now living under supervised care in his own apartment in the community. Today, he requested travel passes so he could visit his daughter in Hamilton for up to 72 hours at a time.
It hurts me because he gets all these luxuries and wanting to spend time with his family, and my son doesn't have the luxury to have any time with his father, and we don't get those kind of treatments. We don't get any kind of how does it affect you? They don't care how it affects us or how will it affect anybody else in the community. It worries me.
The Ontario Review Board heard that Kachkar is a model patient who has had no psychotic symptoms, is on injectable medication, and has insight into the harm he has caused. His risk for violent reoffending has been deemed to be low, but at the same time, he does still pose what they describe as a significant risk to the safety of the public. This forensic psychiatrist explains.
Significant risk to the safety of the public is the legal term. If someone's not a significant threat to the safety of the public, the Ontario Review Board no longer has jurisdiction. They have to leave the forensic system.
And this legal analyst says it's important that the public recognizes this distinction.
There's a difference between evil and a difference between ill. And so, yes, a lot of people might say, well, what if he does this again, or what if something like this happens again? But you'll have also people, on the other hand, that say sometimes horrible things happen in society, but we can't always lock somebody up and throw away the key.
Now, the Ontario Review Board is expected to release its decision on these travel passes for Kachkar in the next couple of months. In the meantime, he will continue living in his apartment under close supervision.